Hello and welcome back for another Quant price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my breakdown targets here on the Quant chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening here on the Quant chart for the past few days, where you can see that after putting in place a low at around the $96 mark, we saw this massive pump giving us a high at around the $117 mark, where you can see that the market from that low was up by more than 21.89%. And afterwards, you can now see that we are coming down in a very impulsive move, where you can see that we have seen a crash of more than 12.9%. And at the time of this recording, we are still holding above support at around the $100.3 mark. That is the next area that I'm watching as support. And a break below that key area of support can give us maybe a successful retest, or maybe we can continue seeing straight sell-off to the lower side to our next key area of support at around the $97.3 mark. And a break below the $97.3 mark, then that could give us a reset of a low that we have at around the $94.3 mark. Quant has also continued to obey the Elliot structures. And if I zoom out on the charts so that I can give you my Elliot analysis, you can see that Quant gave us a bear market low at around the $40.1 mark, then gave us a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5, giving us a peak at around the $229 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, where we have been breaking down, obeying this ABC structure, having that as the wave A, then a wave B, and then I have been expecting one more leg down in the formation of this wave C. And I have minimum target areas for this higher Elliott wave count 2 highlighted on the charts using this red target area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area between the $134.8 mark and the $81.5 mark, which is an area that we are yet to fully maximize. And there are high chances that in case further breakdown continues here on the Quant chart, we lose the $100.3 mark and the $97.3 mark, which are significant areas of support. Then we could see a reset of this low for this wave A at around the $94.3 mark. And if we lose that an area at around the $94.3 mark, then Quant could possibly give us an $80-point-something Quant in the formation of that wave C, and also complete the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 2. And once that happens, then that will be enough confirmation that the low for that second wave is in. And then from that point, we can expect Quant to give us a 5-wave move to the upside in the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 3, where I believe once we get a low at around the $80-point-something Quant, then the minimum target areas will be above $350 in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3. We also need to have in mind that Quant could still give us a massive pump in the formation of that wave 3 without putting in place one more new low in the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 2. We also need to have that in mind, and it's a perfect time for someone to this year in, and that is not financial advice, so that you can be able to ride that massive pump in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 57 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.